Welcome to Campeche, a land where ancient history intertwines with breathtaking natural wonders. Nestled on the Yucatan Peninsula in southeastern Mexico, Campeche remains an unspoiled paradise, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Join us as we venture into the heart of this captivating state, exploring its vibrant culture, rich history, and the diverse ecosystems that make it a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Our journey begins in the Balamku Biosphere Reserve, a sprawling expanse of emerald green that stretches as far as the eye can see. Here the air hangs heavy with humidity, a testament to the life-giving rains that nourish this tropical paradise. Towering trees, their canopies laden with epiphytes and orchids, form a verdant cathedral overhead, filtering the sunlight into dappled patterns on the forest floor. As we venture deeper into this pristine wilderness, the sounds of the jungle envelop us. The air thrums with the incessant chirping of cicadas, their chorus occasionally punctuated by the raucous calls of unseen birds. With every step, we are reminded that we are mere visitors in a realm ruled by nature. Keep a watchful eye out for the flash of iridescent plumage, a sure sign of the exotic birds that call Balamku home. Toucans, with their oversized beaks and vibrant colors, are a common sight, their calls echoing through the trees. Look closely, and you might spot a troop of spider monkeys swinging effortlessly through the canopy, their long limbs and prehensile tails perfectly adapted to life in the trees. The forest floor too teems with life. Leafcutter ants, their industrious colonies, a marvel of nature's efficiency, march in long lines carrying fragments of leaves many times their size. And if we are fortunate, we might catch a glimpse of the elusive jaguar, the apex predator of this ecosystem, its powerful muscles rippling beneath its spotted coat as it stalks its prey. Our exploration takes us deeper into the Yucatan Peninsula, to the Calakmul Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where ancient history and natural wonders converge. Here, amidst the dense rainforest, lie the ruins of Calakmul, once a powerful Maya city that rivaled Tikal in its grandeur. As we approach the site, the forest seems to hush, as if in reverence to the spirits of the ancient Maya, who once called this place home. Towering pyramids, their once brightly painted facades now softened by the passage of time, rise above the jungle canopy, a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of this vanished civilization. Climbing the steps of Structure 2, the tallest pyramid in Calakmul, we are rewarded with a breathtaking panorama of the surrounding rainforest. From this vantage point, it is easy to imagine the city in its heyday, a bustling metropolis of temples, palaces and plazas surrounded by a sea of green. But Calakmul is more than just ancient ruins. It is a living, breathing ecosystem, home to a staggering array of plant and animal life. As we descend from the pyramid, we are greeted by the cacophony of howler monkeys, their guttural roars echoing through the trees. The forest floor is a tapestry of life, with ferns, orchids and bromeliads vying for space in the dappled sunlight. And if we are lucky, we might spot a tapir, its distinctive snout probing the undergrowth for food, or a family of peccaries, their sharp tusks a reminder that even in this paradise, danger lurks. From the depths of the rainforest, we emerge onto the sun-drenched shores of Campeche's coastline, a world away from the emerald embrace of the jungle. Here, the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico lap gently against pristine beaches, their white sands fringed with swaying palms. Puerto de Campeche, the state capital, boasts a charming malecon, a seaside promenade perfect for an evening stroll as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The air is filled with the salty tang of the sea, a welcome change from the humidity of the rainforest. Further along the coast, we discover Isla Aguada, a tranquil island paradise where time seems to stand still. Here we can relax on the beach, the soft sand warm beneath our feet, and listen to the gentle rhythm of the waves. The waters off Campeche's coast are a haven for marine life, and we might be fortunate enough to spot dolphins frolicking in the waves or sea turtles coming ashore to lay their eggs. Kayaking along the coast, we are treated to a different perspective on this idyllic landscape, gliding silently through the mangroves, their tangled roots a testament to nature's resilience. Our journey takes us inland once more to the Laguna de Terminos, the largest coastal lagoon in Mexico and a vital ecosystem teeming with life. Here the fresh water of the Usumacinta and Grijalva rivers mingles with the salt water of the Gulf of Mexico, creating a unique environment that supports an astonishing diversity of species. As we navigate the labyrinthine waterways of the lagoon, we are greeted by a symphony of bird calls. Flocks of flamingos, their pink plumage a striking contrast to the blue sky, wade in the shallows, their long legs perfectly adapted for foraging in the mudflats. Great egrets, their snowy white feathers gleaming in the sunlight, stalk patiently along the water's edge, their sharp beaks poised to snatch unsuspecting fish, and high above magnificent frigate birds, their distinctive forked tails silhouetted against the clouds, soar effortlessly on the thermals, their keen eyesight scanning the water below for prey. The lagoon is not only a haven for birds, but also a vital nursery for a wide variety of fish and shellfish, making it a crucial resource for the local communities who depend on it for their livelihoods. As we observe the fishermen casting their nets, their movements honed by generations of tradition, we are reminded of the delicate balance that exists between humans and the natural world. Throughout our journey through Campeche, we have encountered an astonishing array of plant and animal life, a testament to the state's rich biodiversity. From the towering trees of the rainforest to the delicate orchids that adorn the forest floor, Campeche is a botanist's paradise, but it is the animal life that truly captures the imagination. In the depths of the jungle, the elusive jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, reigns supreme, its powerful muscles rippling beneath its spotted coat as it stalks its prey. High in the canopy, howler monkeys, their guttural roars echoing through the trees, are a constant reminder of the vibrancy of this ecosystem. And along the coast, sea turtles, ancient mariners who have roamed the oceans for millions of years, come ashore to lay their eggs, their life cycle, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The mangroves that fringe the coast play a vital role in supporting this rich biodiversity, their tangled roots providing shelter for a myriad of fish, crabs, and other marine creatures. And the wetlands that dot the landscape, often overlooked but no less important, are crucial habitats for a wide variety of birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Our final destination takes us to Edzna, an ancient Maya city that, unlike Calakmul, stands in solitary splendor, surrounded not by dense rainforest but by a landscape that has been shaped by human hands for centuries. Here, amidst the ruins of temples and palaces, we find a different kind of beauty. One that speaks not only of nature's grandeur but also of the enduring legacy of human civilization. As we wander through the plaza, the silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the ancient stones, as if whispering tales of the people who once called this place home. The structures themselves, though weathered by time, still inspire awe, their intricate carvings and towering facades a testament to the skill and artistry of the Maya architects. But Edzna is more than just an archaeological site. It is a place where history and nature coexist in harmony. Birds nest in the crevices of the ancient stones, their songs echoing through the ruins. Iguanas bask in the sun on the steps of the pyramids. Their prehistoric forms a reminder of the ancient lineage of this land. And as we stand on the platform of the Great Acropolis, gazing out over the surrounding landscape, we are struck by the realization that we are merely temporary custodians of this precious heritage, a heritage that we have a responsibility to protect for generations to come. As our journey through Campeche draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and respect for this remarkable state. From the depths of its rainforests to the tranquility of its beaches, from the bustling cities to the ancient ruins, Campeche offers a glimpse into a world of natural beauty and cultural richness that is both captivating and inspiring. We hope that this glimpse into the heart of Campeche has ignited within you a desire to experience its wonders firsthand. For it is only by immersing ourselves in the natural world that we can truly appreciate its fragility and the importance of preserving it for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the heart of our planet's most extraordinary destinations.